Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Wi-Fi can't connect to this network PC laptop Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix Wi-Fi can't connect to this network PC laptop Windows 11 reconnecting the network. For this method, click on the network icon. After that, right-click on the network and select Forget. After that, select the network again, click Connect, enter the password, and now the connection will be established. Chapter 2. How to fix Wi-Fi can't connect to this network PC laptop Windows 11 from terminal. To start, right-click on Start and click on Terminal Admin. Select Yes to access the console. Now, in the terminal, run the on-screen command to reset the IP address properties. Press Enter. After that, restore the WinSock catalog. Run the command netch winsock reset. Press Enter. Finally, free the IP address. Run the command ipconfig/flushdns. To apply these changes, restart the operating system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. How to fix Wi-Fi can't connect to this network PC laptop Windows 11 updating driver. To start, right-click on Start and select Device Manager. Here, under Network Adapters, right-click on the Wi-Fi driver. Select Update Driver. You are going to click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait for this process to complete. Chapter 4. How to fix Wi-Fi can't connect to this network PC laptop Windows 11 reactivating driver. To start, right-click on Start and click on Device Manager. After that, in Network Adapters, right-click on the Wi-Fi driver and click on Disable Device. Confirm this operation by clicking Yes. After this, again right-click on the driver and this time select Enable Device. Chapter 5. How to fix Wi-Fi can't connect to this network PC laptop Windows 11 managing power. To start, right-click on Start and open Device Manager. Open the network adapters and double-click on the Wi-Fi driver. Here, go to the Power Management tab. You are going to uncheck the box, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click on OK. Chapter 6. How to fix Wi-Fi can't connect to this network PC laptop Windows 11 resetting the network. To start, open Settings. You are going to go to the Network and Internet section, and here you will click on Advanced Network Settings. Then, under Network Reset, you will click Reset Now. Confirm this by clicking Yes. You can close the pop-up window, and then you will restart the system to complete this process. Chapter 7. How to fix Wi-Fi can't connect to this network PC laptop Windows 11 checking for updates. To start, click on Start and then on Settings. Now, in the Windows Update section, you will check if there is any update available for the Wi-Fi network. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.